What if I told you that $50 could make a big impact to your financial future? Not $100, not $1,000, 50. I know what you're thinking. Terry, what is $50 really going to do? That's exactly what I used to think, and it kept me from investing for way too long. So that's why I built my free simulator that shows you visually what $50 can actually do over time. And the results stop me dead in my tracks. Now stay with me. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. If you're new here, hi there. I'm Terry, and I help women who feel completely overwhelmed by investing take their first step simply on autopilot and without needing a finance degree to get started or a whole lot of money. And can I be real with you for just a second? A lot of the information that's on the internet, it's just overwhelming, intimidating, and it doesn't just feel like it was made for us. So everything I create is designed to make it simple and easy to understand, just like this. So now that I've switched over to my desktop, this is my $50 investment simulator, and I built it specifically for women who are just getting started. I'm going to scroll down here and pick the $50 a month as my starting point, and then be $50 every single month. That's less than $2 a day, by the way. And I'm going to scroll down a little bit further, and I'm going to take the default that we're going to do this investing for the next 10 years. And then I'll run the simulation. Well, look at that. It will show me that I'm going to have over $3,600. That's money made in my sleep, and that I will have over $10,000. Now, if I scroll down here and change this to, let's say, 20 years, update the simulation. Look at that. I would have put in $12,000 in almost 4x my amount of money. That's additionally $23,000 while you are asleep. That's not magic. That's not luck. That's just what happens when you let time and consistency do the work for you. This is why starting today, not next month, not when you feel ready, matters so much. Every month you wait is a month of growth you can't get back. And here's the thing. You don't have to start with $50. You can put in whatever number feels right for you. $25, $100, whatever your budget allows. The point isn't the amount. The point is starting. Now, I want to be honest with you about something with the simulator. It shows the potential of what can be made. But real investing can often include fees. I am actually working on an update right now that includes fees so that you can get the real truth of what's potentially made, not just a pretty picture. And when that update comes, you'll be the first to know, which brings me to my other point. This simulator is only available in my free online community called Wealth Builder Society. I'm opening it up to women that are ready to stop waiting and get started to build wealth for themselves and their families. When you join, you get access to the simulator, a beginner's blueprint, a start here class, and our weekly onboarding sessions where you can ask me anything. All for free. No complicated jargon, no judgment, just real talk about building wealth one step at a time. The link is in the description below. It takes about 2 minutes to fill out, and it's free to start. I'll see you on the inside. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It really helps to reach other women just like you. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out when the next video drops. Otherwise, I'm Terry, and I'll see you on the next one.